Hey buyers, are you torn right now between continuing to rent or purchase a home? If that's the case, maybe some information I can give you today will help you make that decision. I understand that renting can feel much less expensive and much simpler than buying a home, especially right now. You have no repairs, no property taxes, no worrying about changing mortgage rates. You simply make your monthly rent payment and move on with your life. However, here's the part people don't talk about enough. Renting doesn't help you build your financial future. Meanwhile, homeowners are growing their net worth just by owning a home. So if you're wondering whether buying a home is still worth it, the long-term math is clearer than you might think. How do the costs really compare? Let's break down one of the key differences between renting and buying. When you rent, your payment goes to your landlord and then it's gone. When you own, part of your payment comes back to you in the form of equity. This is where the wealth is built, from a combination of the value of your home increasing and paying down your home loan. So while renting may seem more affordable now, you must remember it comes at a long-term cost. You're not building your wealth. And as it turns out, that's a larger miss than you may expect. First American recently analyzed the long-term financial impact of renting versus owning a home. They compared mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, repairs, and maintenance against the equity gained through home price appreciation and paying down the monthly mortgage. They did that during several different time frames to see if it tells a consistent story. So in 2006, the start of the housing bubble, 2015, 10 years ago, 2019, just before the pandemic, and 2022, when mortgage rates jumped. As you can see in the chart, it didn't matter when the purchase happened. Time in a home builds wealth. Time renting doesn't. Basically, homeowners come out ahead, even after you factor in the other expenses that come with home ownership. This doesn't mean buying always beats renting in the short term. However, the longer you own, the wider the wealth gap becomes. Renting might feel less expensive today, but owning a home is what builds true wealth over time. With affordability starting to improve, the path to home ownership and wealth may be opening up more than you think. Contact one of our agents today to see when you can start building your wealth.